Hey guys, quick video for you. If you have the Ninja Creami Deluxe and it's not powering on, so I was looking for this issue, like what you can actually do with it. So the first thing is that I called the company and walked through the troubleshooting steps. They proceed to tell me the same thing, to unplug the machine and plug it back when I wanted to use it. So this is the thing. Now I was looking everywhere on how we can actually fix this issue, but the thing is that plenty of people got issue with powering it on. So what they do is that you always need to write to the Ninja. So write to the Ninja support that you have the issue with it, and what was going to happen, they're going to write you back, and then they're going to like send you probably a new one, like a replacement. So just share it is not powering on, is not working, and even when you like unplug it and plug it back in, but this is like the huge issue they have, in my opinion. So plug it out, wait like a minute two, then plug it back in, or even after every time you use it, completely plug it out. So do that. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.